Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2012 Kawasaki ZX6R Ninja with just a little over 2,000 miles on it. We're going to take a walk around this basically new still sport bike, and we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike is super clean, no damage to it. A lot of gloss left, just basically looks like new still. Good front tire, plenty of mileage left on it. And overall, this bike is pretty much still stock. It does have a couple things on it, like a battery tender lead that was added to it. Back tire's in great shape, a lot of mileage still left on that. And then the undertail kit that was put on it. $2,058 is what's on this bike. This bike has gone through our 24-point pre-sale inspection. Also comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.